नमस्ते दोस्तों, आप सबका स्वागत है मेरे आज के इस मॉड्यूल में, जिसमें हम बात करने जा रहे हैं कि हाउ वी कैन डेवलप सक्सेस हैबिट। सक्सेस इज नॉट द पैरामीटर फॉर हैप्पीनेस, बट येस, सक्सेस इज द essence of living. Success is the essence of life. If we really can't be successful in whatever we dream about, whatever we set our goal, or whatever we want to do, whatever we want to explore, if there is no success, there is no happiness, there is no exploration, there is no excitement in life. That is why success need to be created for your own self. It should not be criteria to judge. It should be criteria to live the life. With this, I, Sunita, a certified Dale Carnegie training consultant and master practitioner NLP coach. आज के इस मॉड्यूल में जब मैं सोच रही थी कि हमें सक्सेस हैबिट्स क्यों एक्वायर करनी चाहिए, when we talk about any habit is something which you don't have to think about that I need to do this. आपको कभी ऐसा सोचना नहीं पड़ता, अरे यार आज मुझे ये करना पड़ेगा, ये मुझे करना चाहिए. हैबिट इज समथिंग विच गोज सो automatic, like taking a bath, like brushing your teeth, like having food on time. Most of time it become our habits, and that is why you don't have to think much, give a thought, give a very special attitude toward it. That is why I am saying that we need to form success habit for creating a better life, performing life, productive life, and exciting life. What are those habits now? The habits which creates us on the path of more results, more effectiveness, more success, that is called success habit. So हमने बचपन से सुना है बहुत हमारे बड़ों से कि समय के पाबंद बनो, बीइंग पंक्चुअल. आप कहेंगे मैम वी नो दिस, बट लेट मी से दिस, बीइंग सक्सेसफुल मीन्स बीइंग कंसिस्टेंट. कोई चीज़ आपके सक्सेस को अगर क्रिएट करता है, आपके सक्सेस के मैप को आपके लिए क्रिएट करता है, वो है कंसिस्टेंसी. एंड हाउ यू कैन बी कंसिस्टेंट? बाय फॉलोइंग, बाय just you can say just following a very hard regime for your doing the things on time, so that you are maintaining your schedule on time, you are doing the right things at the right time, and that makes a consistency. And the one who is consistent stand in market, stand in race quite sturdy, quite long, and that spells success. I hope I'm very simple to clarify this point. How your punctuality turns into consistency, and the one who is consistent generally wins the race. We know that famous Kachua or tortoise and